people.
What the? It's against me.
I know you guys can see very well, but
There's seagulls in the pool.
indeed, seagulls. This is what happens when a hotel.
Let's finish that noise. Oh my god, it was sick.
This is what happens when a hotel doesn't take care of its pool. It gets filled with seagulls.
The water looks clean.
And the water is clean. See? This is actually the first time this happens here. A pool filled with seagulls. I know this is like, we see that every day. We don't. So shut up. So yeah. And one left, but like 10 of them stayed. And we have a beautiful moon. Almost full. Time for werewolf. Ho ho. We had a wolfie here, so yeah. So yeah. I'm not going to do more. Just want to show you guys this.
Amazing, isn't it?
Whee! Amazing. We have
It's a lifeguard.
We have a lifeguard. A Seagull lifeguard.
Seagull guard.
So yeah. That face.
Aww.
Oh my god. I forgot this one. No.
Don't film me.
I like how my zoom takes like 1,000 times to. Yeah, it zooms. I'm filming the cameraman.
Hi.
Yeah, this is me.
What's a nice
Yeah, I'm still eating my ice cream, so yeah. I'm going to turn off now. Bye bye. Jane.